Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you my way of replacing the timing belt on a 2012 Seat Ibiza with the 1.4 engine. Firstly, I just jacked up the car and removed the driver's side front wheel. And then started removing the wheel arch liner. You can completely take it off, but I just rested it on the disc. So next I just jacked up the engine to remove the engine mount off. Now moving to the top timing cover, there are just two clips holding it in place. After that I removed the auxiliary belt and then the crank pulley. So to get to the timing cover bolts, the tensioner pulley also has to come off, which I'm just taking it off here. So before removing the timing belt, it's really important to check that the timing marks or the holes have lined up, and to do this just rotate the crank until the holes have lined up or the timing marks are in line. So here I'm just making sure that the timing marks or the holes have lined up, and then I'm just going to use copper drill bits to hold it in place as I didn't have the proper timing tools. And I've also used just a bit of paint just to mark it up, just in case the pulleys slightly move out of line. And I've also put some paint on the crank pulley as well, as you can see just there. So once you're happy with the timing marks and the drill bits are in place, you can start removing the tensioner, and which you can see here I've completely removed it out the way along with the guide pulleys. And next I just started taking the tensioner off for the small timing belt. Next I take out the coolant pump bolts and gently lever out the water pump. That way the coolant drains out slowly instead of just gushing out. So for this job I'm using an FAI timing belt kit from Euro Car Parts. As you can see here, the cam pulley shifted slightly, so I used the spanner to pull it back to the timing mark before installing the belt. So while holding the spanner in place, I installed the timing belt and also the tensioner pulley. So before fitting the new water pump, just make sure the surface is all clean, just in case you don't want any leaks afterwards. So when fitting the new timing belt, I always start from the crank pulley, keeping the belt tight on the guide pulley side. Once the belt is on, I turn the tensioner clockwise until the arrow lines up with the cutout, and then just nip up the bolt. So with that done, I remove the drill bits, rotate the crank 2 full turns clockwise, and recheck the timing marks. If everything lines up perfectly, you can tighten up the tensioner bolt fully. So from here, just install everything back together in reverse order. And that's all done. Timing belt replaced on a Seat Ibiza 1.4. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more car repair and maintenance videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.